notation for addition.
I don't know what I did.
Like see the backward.
All right, so we're gonna give a shout out to Deborah and Kelly, but all right, all right. So let's talk about the next integral ideas. The next integral idea is geometric. How do you deal with geometric? So supposedly. You don't say hi to your teammates?
Hello.
Hello, who?
Oh, hello, Kelly and Deborah.
Wait, different more. I want to say hi. Hi, Kelly and Deborah.
So,
Anyone else?
No, no.
Not that I mean. Oh, oh. You weren't here when I looked behind each other.
all right. So what we're gonna do is gonna talk about geometric. It's this part's really easy, but a lot of people tend to screw up, and also it can be question could be more difficult. So let's say geometric. Integrals. Before we talk about geometric integral, we're gonna start by compare the difference. So I'm gonna move here down a little bit here. I'm sorry.
I don't have that ability.
Okay, sorry. You had an iPad.
Paper and then move it down.
You had an iPad.
I can't bring it to school.
Why?
My mom won't let me.
You bring it before?
No, I haven't.
Because I airdrop and I always airdrop to Julia's iPad.
Julia's iPad is connected to my
Julia's
phone.
phone.
Julia's iPad is Julia's phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. So first of all, we did the indefinite integral. Indefinite integral is just the function integrate, and if you integrate, it's gonna give you like say big of f of x plus c, and that's just gonna be a definite integral. So this part is the definite integral part, okay? But there was a indefinite integral, but there was a definite integral, and the only thing difference between definite integral and indefinite integral are there's a boundary. So there's a boundary between a to b, f of x dx, and you will get a number. You will get some type of number instead of, because usually you will get some type of number. The numbers could be 5, 10, 100, doesn't matter. But y is equal to the number. Because definite integral is the area under the curve. Between two boundaries. Between two boundaries. Okay, between two boundaries. So it's area below the between the curve between two boundaries, or under the curve. Sorry, under the curve between two boundaries. So then you're gonna say, well, what does that mean? So we're gonna start with the simplest one. Okay, we're not gonna remember there's a way to do calculation, but I don't want you to learn calculation first, because calculation doesn't show you a true understanding. You should start and understand what it means by definite integral. So let's just say, because what is definite integral between 1 to 5 of 2 dx? If I just give you this, and you haven't learned how to take a definite integral, what would be the answer between 1 to 5, 2 dx, and why is that? Right now, you don't know how to take an integral. Yes, Anthony?
8.
Why do you think it's 8?
4 units across. That's big.
Do you guys understand what he said? He's right.
It sounded right. I just didn't understand it.
So what is a function here? Huh? What is the function in terms of here?
2.
Not 2, it's 2. Right? So the function is 2. So I'm just gonna have 2. And they say between 2 boundaries is between 1 and 4. And you can basically just find this area, which is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 8. So definitely understand geometric understanding. If you start understand this is a definite integral, it's the beginning. Now there was a I'm sorry, there was actually definition of integral, but we're not advanced to deal with it yet, so we're not gonna deal with it for now, but we will. So that's integration from 1 to 4. Does everybody understand? You just count the boxes, count the tiles.
It's a 5. It's
Oh, it's 5. You're right. It's 5. Sorry. I just can't count. Teach calculus.
Why is it 8?
because there's 8 boxes.
8 box?
One,
So I have to draw it out?
Mhm.
But then if it was from 0 to 5, then it would be 10 boxes. But 1 to 5, then
It's like a visual representation.
But like, what if it came in like a huge number?
That's what we can't do.
That's
Why
why
not do
we're
it?
learning this.
It doesn't matter if you like huge number, it's gonna multiply by 4. So if you use 999, it's just 999 multiplied by 4 because the width of the rectangle is gonna be 4, the height is gonna be 999, and just 5 times 999.
You just do 5 times 1 times 2.
Well, yeah, well, just area rectangle. So it's just base times height. The function is defined by the height, and the base is the difference between 2 boundaries. Devin, you make everybody hungry.
Right? I have to eat
You're-
this because
You're
the
not.
smell was like making
Yeah,
me
you
so
have to share your food
sick.
now.
Oh.
You don't have to back this way. You got plates, right? You got plates, yeah.
Mr. A, you got any food for us?
I don't know.
That's
food for
gonna
you.
be it full fast.
Okay, so what will be integration between 2 to 4? Sorry, 2 to let's just say, should I do 2 to 6 of x dx? So anybody beside Anthony, because Anthony will figure out this one very quickly. What will be the integration of 2 to 6 of x dx? Yes? No. Nice try. Al? I think it's bigger than that.
4x. 4x, Mr. A.
No.
8x, Mr. A.
No.
I think we can see it.
Think about what is a function. Can you draw it out?
I don't know.
Are you guys ready?
So much time.
Nope, it's gonna be a number because it's gonna be an evaluation. It's gonna be an area.
Is it?
Don't think so. Is it 8, Anthony? Huh? It's 10, and trust Anthony.
Why don't we do the math and find out?
Yeah, 15.
I
How
think
many
it's
are
so off. How'd you get
Maybe
13?
Eight.
Is there
Yeah.
like maybe like an
13,
x squared involved since
It's
you
like
said it's
13,
an
15.
area?
I got
We
16.
find
You
it.
got 16?
I counted.
God.
Okay, let's do this. Are you like this counting first?
You're just counting squares.
Yeah,
I got 8.
I got 16.
I got 8, you guys.
See, I don't have a
I think it's 8.
book.
So Jacob, me.
I think it's 8. I think it's 8.
You think it's 8?
Who's 8, gang? Raise your hand if it's 8.
I think it's at least 8.
Okay, well. 8 or more. The spot thinks it's 8, so.
Cause like the first 2 rows has to be like 8.
Okay, I don't know if it's 8. I'm just gonna.
Well, we all think it's 8, except for Anthony and you. It's 8. How are you
I think it's bigger than 8.
Just double quick info.
It's actually bigger than 10 too.
16 or bigger.
Bro.
It's 12.
How did you get 12?
Oh, it's 6. No, hold on a second. It's 16. Sorry,
Yeah,
16.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you can. Yeah. So like the bottom 2 rows.
It's a trapezoid.
Yeah.
So remember how to do trapezoid? This is 2. This, you guys need to know how to do trapezoid. So this is 6 units. So, and this is the base 1. This is the base 2. So this is the base 2. This is the base 1. So it's a base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times the height, which is height is 4. So it's gonna be 4. Did anybody know how to find? Don't know how to find the area of a trapezoid? So that's gonna be 16.
Is B for base?
So area is 16. Now there's another quick way to do it. Most of you guys don't see this. You can cut off this triangle right here and then put it right here. So you look like that. It would just be 4 times 4. But that's how do you find the area of a trapezoid. It's the average of 2 bases. So it's 16. So all of you guys are wrong, except Jorge.
Jorge got it right. So.
Jorge actually go into counter right angles. You're supposed to go into the counter right angles.
I don't know.
Any questions? Integration between, remember, you're going to get evaluation. You're not going to get an expression. A lot of you guys say 2x or 4x or whatever. You're supposed to get evaluation. You're supposed to get an area. Okay? So that's just between 1 to 5 of x plus 3 dx. So now you're going to go in to find out what is the correct things. But we're not teaching you how to do arithmetic. Arithmetic, there's a different way to do it. But I need you to figure out what is the area right here. You got to be able to draw the function.
Like 39. 107.
The origin, the white.
Yeah.
It's like a transformation. You can
Ah.
move it up.
So this now.
Well, also y equal to mx plus b.
Oh yeah.
You living?
Mhm.
Where you going
We're
for
going
field
to
trip?
UCF.
Ew,
Wait, where are you saying?
We're going to UCF. We're going to
gross.
go to the anatomy section and we're going to look at human cadavers.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
that's kind of cool.
It's very cool.
Can I go? For what?
I'm going to book them every day on how to kill a doctor. How you do that? I've never seen a doctor do that like that.
Yeah.
I'm about to hold on. HDL.
Okay, did you guys got the answer yet? Is it the same? I don't know.
This is the
I didn't do it.
This is a larger base.
I think you can plug in the phone. No, no, wait,
But how would you plug it in?
wait, okay.
I don't think the same.
No, no.
Oh, I got this. Are you
Uh,
ready? I'm so ready.
Because they're on the next side. We can
Is it 24?
find the.
Wait.
Oh no.
Oh.
Is it? I didn't do it, so
Oh.
I cannot tell you if it's right or wrong.
Hmm.
Did you count the boxes? Huh? You got the same thing? Okay, Nathan approved. I don't know. So you can count from this called y equal to mx plus b. You start with b. And then you're gonna have this trapezoid right here, right? And this trapezoid has height of 4. And this one has height of what?
What did we agree on? Your answer? Did you get something?
No, it's oh yeah, it's 5. No, it's 4. Sorry, you're right. This one is 4. I can count, like I said. So this one is gonna give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So it'll be 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times what? 4.
I got 24.
So that's 12 divided by 2 times 4. That's equal to 6 times 4. That's equal to 24. So that's equal to 24. So just by counting the area, counting the trapezoid, and I need you to know trapezoid.
Didn't you plug in the one?
I need you to know trapezoid.
Like the area? I just split it into the triangle. Or what to do with
I need you to be able to do trapezoid. Because later on there's something called trapezoid rule. So yes, so this is a trapezoid. So knowing how to calculate the area of trapezoid, don't avoid it. You need to know this in high school. You need to know how to be able to find area of trapezoid. I teach my 3rd grade kids outside the school how to find area of trapezoid. You have to be able to do it. It's not that hard, just trapezoid. Okay? So learn how to use trapezoid because it is a trapezoid rule. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. The height is the width right here. So that's how you find the area of trapezoid. Now, I'm going to ask you, what will be the integrations? This one's kind of hard. But first of all, a lot of you guys are going to do it wrong. The thing is, you're going to do some mathematical mistakes and scare the crap out of me.
We're gonna scare you?
Yeah. First of all,
Oh, he left.
he went to field trip.
Oh.
Guys, it's another thing I'm gonna have to take. I literally have to take this yesterday.
Take what?
That's the ones.
Do you want to keep it in here? Devon's water bottle.
Oh, you want me to take it? No, you just leave it here.
Can I call her to tell me for
Yeah, call him. Because he probably still here. The bus cannot leave that fast. Okay, so this one maybe only one person have enough strength to pull through. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know if even that's one person can pull through.
Nah, I was so confident.
Text him. You're not important.
Can you grab your water bottle and just hold it?
That's a nice water bottle too.
I know. Everything nice gets left on my desk just for you. Swear to God.
All right, so what do you guys think? First of all, think of what's a function look like.
I just called you.
And you didn't answer.
He saw my name and said, yeah.
She doesn't get mad at me when he brings in class. Bye, Miss Jan.
Bye, have a good day.
Bye, Devon.
Bye.
All right, so the thing is, do you know what shape is this?
I need the graph.
If you don't know the shapes, you don't know the graph.
I know the graph, but I don't know the shape.
What is the graph?
And the graph. What's the shape looking like?
What is the shape? What does the square root of 4 minus x squared look like? Does anybody know? Like a bird? No, it's not a bird. No.
I didn't actually. Wait, it's square root of x. squared. Oh, no, that's not just that.
Yeah.
No. You just killed puppy.
I think that's what she was talking about.
What?
He knew we were gonna do this.
Yeah, you just killed puppy. So
Oh, I'm sorry.
I mean, I eat dogs, but
What's wrong with the first
I'm
one?
just kidding. I'm vegetarian. Okay, so what shape is? Huh? Did you look up the graph? Okay, well, look it up the graph. Go graph on a Desmos.
Is it a parabola?
No, it's not a problem.
Well, because it's not an oval. I just plugged it in.
Graph it on a Desmos. Somebody have Desmos apps?
Yeah.
Do it
It
all.
doesn't have to.
You need to download the Desmos apps.
Love the Desmos mobile app.
This is gonna be on your test questions.
This is a test question? Thank you, Mr.
Oh, it's opposite.
This is specific shapes. It's a
circle.
It's a semicircle. Now here's the thing. How do you know semicircle? So you have to know the format of this equation. But start from what is a circle? Let me show you. The circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. That means you have radius of 4. Now pay attention. This is a circle. Everybody agree with this or no?
Yeah.
Do you guys know this? Okay, let's go ahead and move the x squared to the other side. So it'll be 4 minus x squared. And then I can square root both sides, so it's going to be plus minus. So what happened if the plus is the top half of the circle? The top half of the circle is going to be the plus. So this is square root of 4 minus x squared. The bottom part of the circle is what? Negative square root of 4 minus x squared. Therefore, that's why it's plus minus, because that's still a circle. But since this is already assigned as positive, you can find the area of here. How do I find the area of here?
You take the area of a circle and divide it by 2.
Good. Pi r squared divided by 2. Now, what is the radius here? Is 2. So it'll be 2 pi. So answer is 2 pi. A simple question will lead to you to get wrong answers. But you gotta think about simple things. You gotta know your shapes, your lines, your transformation. That's why you learn in pre-calc. There's 12 different functions, except this is not 1 of 12. This is semicircle. But you should know circle. But when I teach conic section, which is circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola, I usually teach semicircle as well. And that's the one shapes I really want student to know is semicircle. So the answer is going to be 2 pi. Does that make sense? I'll give you a practice.
Wait, can you scroll back?
What do you think the answer of this one is? It will be on the test. You have to figure out. Yes.
25 divided by 4.
Does everybody agree? Somebody sees something. Man, what'd you get?
I got 25 power too.
Oh,
Trent, what'd you get? Don't know.
that's the streams you have.
That makes more sense. Oh, that's
Ah,
smart.
it's a quarter circle. Thank you, Nathan. Very good call, catch. It will from 0 to 5. So therefore, this is the circle that I am paying attention now. And this is a quarter circle. So since it's equal to 1/4 pi r squared, so that's going to be 1/4 pi times 5 squared. So that's going to be 25 pi over 4. Something you have to learn to read, and that's how you get things, read the small things, read the fine prints. And that's math. You cannot just go with that. Okay, so any question about this part? All right.
What is that?
Don't worry about that. All right, next thing is we're gonna go to some definitions. So some properties, right? So property of the integrals. So the first property is this: integration between value of a of f of x dx. What do you think is equal to? From a to a.
This- no. Oh, yes.
The same number?
Yep.
What if it's just one? Wait, what was your question?
What's integration from a to a of f of x dx? If I didn't teach you, must be a number you can get right away.
Zero.
Is it 0?
It's from the same number to the same.
Then you don't
It's
have
not
a
going
number.
anywhere.
It's just a line.
You know what I mean?
It doesn't move. Is it just a point?
It's not even a line. There's no line.
Is it dot?
It's just a 0. There's no area under the curve. There's nothing. There's not even a line. Not even thinnest line. Because it went from 2 to 2. Okay, so another integral is very, very important. Integration between b to a of f of x dx. That's equal to negative integration between a to b of f of x. So this negative is really, really, really matter here. And this is really important for you guys to understand. So I'm going to write out red. This is negative. If I switch the boundary, you will become a negative of the other one. So let's just say between, let's just say, give you an example, between 1 to 5 of 2 dx, that's equal to 8, right? Therefore, integration from 5 to 1 of 2 dx is what? Negative 8. Because the order switch. If the order switch, the output is also going to switch. And you're going to ask me why, but I cannot answer today. I can answer later, but I'm not going to answer today. Just knowing that's one of the properties. Are we okay here? Okay. One last property you're gonna know is integration between a to b of f of x. Now this one you have to base on a graph. Sorry, I'm gonna base on this graph here. And the way I'm gonna organize this graph is probably something like this. And this is A and this is B. And C has to be in between. It doesn't matter where. It could be just in middle two number. So integration between A to B of f of x dx is equal to 2 integral. Do you know the boundaries? Do you know the boundaries? Can you fill in the blank here, 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 here?
Isn't like B, C, and C and B?
Yep, that's good. Good job. You're thinking. A to C and from C to B, because that's additional. This area plus its area add together is area from A to B. Now, I'm going to give you a trick question right now. Make sure you write stuff down. And so here's my question. What is integration? No, I'm going to tell you a statement first. A statement is between -1 to 10 of f of x. Give me a number. Give me a number. Everybody choose 2. Like last period choose 2 as well.
A good number.
Yeah.
I'm the good.
And actually, one of my a long time ago, somebody who always scored very high on SAT and AP exam, and he told me is like always pick the answer 2 in there. If somehow there's an answer 2 in there, that's gonna be a preferred choice. I don't know if it's true, but I don't think so. But and there's another statement. Let's go from -1 to 5 of f of x. Give me another number.
1,
No, it's too easy.
10.
All right, I'll go with 10. I'll go to -10. How about that?
Let's guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, so if you know those two, do you know the integration between 10 to 5 of f of x dx?
What's your question?
Integration from 10 to 5 of f of x dx. Now you're gonna be okay, I'm gonna show you really quick. So integration between -1 to 10 of f of x dx is equal to from -1 to 5 of f of x dx plus integration from 5 to 10 of f of x dx. Would you agree?
Mhm.
That's agreeable, right? So this is equal to 2, this is equal to -10, plus integration from 5 to 10 of f of x dx. Can you evaluate by moving 10 to the other side is equal to 12 between 5 to 10 of f of x dx? That's not an n. What are they asking? It's from 10 to 5. So that's -12 is equal to from 10 to 5. If I switch the boundary, and this is simple arithmetic, but you just gotta learn how to write it out. I'll see you guys next week.